See, Nigeria is in a mess because we believe that they will change, and we are part of it. I'm sorry for saying I'm part of it, but I know I will never play with them anymore.
You know that kind of feeling you have when you will tell your boy, don't go out in the evening, the outside is not good. And maybe he will disrespect you and go out. And when he went out, maybe on his way coming back, he injured. Now, you will feel bad because your boy has injured. But you will feel justified because you told him not to go out and he went out. That is the same feeling I am having right now. Nobody is happy because of the situation Nigeria finds themselves in. People are not happy. Nobody is happy that people are hungry, whether you are hungry or not. Nobody is happy that 200 children were adopted yesterday, whether you are among the people that were adopted or not. Nobody is happy that insecurity challenges and so many things to mention but few are happening in Nigeria. But I am feeling justified because we warn Nigerians about this government. I am not surprised. Everything going on now, I'm not surprised. Because if you check my videos, even before election, I told Nigerians, this is how Buhari deceived us. Are you people ready for another 4 years of suffering? And here we are. And the most important thing right now is that people who voted for Tinubu are the one complaining bitterly. Listen to this man.
What are your expectations of this government? Have they been fulfilled? Unfortunately, people are still being killed. For supporting this government of Tinubu, what are your regrets now? Do you still have confidence or hope in this government of Tinubu under what is happening?
See, let me tell you one thing. What is happening, is continuously happening. There is no positive coming. It's like we are not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Because it's long ago we were expecting reality, but no reality now. See, let me tell you, Nigeria is not happy with the government because the government is not coming forward with the truth. Every day, story. Increasement is continually. Hardship continue. Life of living is bullshit here. Where are we going now? Now you see some trailer, he arrested some trailer, he will carry food to other country. What is really happening in Nigeria? Because there is no truth with the government. You are a democracy where government of the people, by the people, are for the people. Now it's not for the people anymore. It's for their pocket. The pocket. Akpabio and Co. Abbas. All those are the Hanko House of Assembly. They detect, they buy bulletproof for themselves, they enjoy themselves, and they live for themselves, and they forgot me and you. At the end of the day, they bring us renew hope. Where's the renew hope? All promise is propaganda. See, there's no any promise that you have seen. Okay, let's say the bosses, the masses bosses, that's why they will distribute nationwide to reduce the cost of transportation because of the fuel subsidy. Where they are bad the bus now? You haven't seen anyone? You don't see anyone? At the end, one of the high. For you to catch it, you know how much? For you to beg it, you know how much? Now people have to sleep in their working place weekly before they go home. See, Nigeria is in a mess because we believe that they will change. And we are part of it. I'm sorry for saying I'm part of it, but I know I will never play with them anymore.
This government promised us that after December, Port Harcourt refinery will work. How market? This is March now. We are in March.
That's what I'm telling you. It's a fraudster statement. They like to accommodate fraudster. See, we are not tight in this country anymore. We are not kids. Many years don't go. Abacha time, Babangida time, till now, our eye don't open. We can't follow the civics tactics anymore. Anybody will clap and say, December, before I can't come down, things go come down now. Okay, where are we now? Now, hard. It is something thousand back. Salary worker for in life, no be buy them. 200 naira rice or plate, you know, they get 300 naira. And now small thing, beans, no food beans. Gary, no Gary. Where is the government? Government swear an oath to take care of his citizens.
What about the agbado, gare, and cassava?
Where is Agbado? Where is cassava? Don't you see what is happening in Benue? Now it's like they have renewed the anxious. The headers are now breaking the farm and pushing everybody away. See, Nigeria is too much and it's too big for this fucking mess because the whole world is watching Nigeria. We are tired of this bullshit. How long? How long are we going to be hearing and be hearing and be hearing negative word? And we still have hope? Where is the hope? Where is the renewed hope? They keep on changing language. Before you know now, they will change from the renewed hope to another language. And all of them is bullshit. All is bullshit. And everybody know. Nigeria here and Nigeria diaspora, they know that the government is a fucking shit house. Because we are not enjoying here. Who did they go work on here? Can't do what? Can't do what? Go hang for his net. Go hang for his spider net. Why are we doing ourselves like this? And we are Nigeria. Why did you punish us like this? And we are part of this that voters that say, okay, let Jagaba be because Jagaba is a lion. Because we don't want after Buhari article. Okay, Obi will know it's a lion, but let us give the money lion. The one will be lion with the body long. Now it's like antelope in the forest.
And you are now like antelope for the lion to prey on.
How will antelope feed the millions? When you claim to be a lion and you are not a lion. You claim to be a player, but fuck survive. See, that was Tupac Amaru Shakoto PH.
What else are you expecting? Let me tell you, people are going to be hungry for the next 4 years. Forget it. Because Naira will not appreciate. The only secret in appreciating Naira is what? There is no magic.
Well, there you have it.
To strong currency. Strong currency is predicated on strong economy.
True.
Strong economy presupposes an industrial productive base and a steady export market. He has told you must shift emphasis from consumption to production. What is this government doing? They are simply consuming. I'll give you an example. Look at the budget. 10 trillion naira for capital expenditure. Yet 17 trillion naira for recurrent expenditure, including 8.2 trillion naira for servicing debts. Since this government came in, it has borrowed close to $15.8 billion in 7 months. Meanwhile, you have removed oil subsidy completely. What are you borrowing for? You said you want to remove oil subsidy so you can have more money to give us these amenities. Yet you have borrowed all this money. Let me tell you what they're doing with it. 5 billion naira to give the first lady to eat. Nothing else. Because she doesn't have any constitutional duty or function. Then 20 billion naira to give chief of staff. They said to renovate his house. 15 billion naira to renovate the VP's house. This will cost Nigeria about 110 million naira every day for the next 1 year. Meanwhile, you cannot give the workers who are productive up to $1 a day as wage award. So this is a government that doesn't have empathy, that does not invest in productive means. They are still consuming the money. Oil price is not going to come down soon. He has told you he is not desperate about being Nigerian president. And he has shown it. Even when INEC did all the abracadabra. You know what Obi say? Calm down. We wouldn't need to destroy the nation. We will get it at the right time. So he is moving because he's searching for the particular environment and platform where the people that he's going to lead will accept this new Nigeria. Where men should not just that they shouldn't be corrupt, but they should be incorruptible. You can't get that in the traditional platform that is existing in Nigeria now. You cannot get it in PDP. You cannot get it in APC. I dare anybody that wants to confront what I'm saying. So I agree with you. The elected class now, even some from Labour Party, have not impressed me. They've not impressed Nigerians. But P2B has impressed me because I was inside the political room and I knew how he was carrying his life. And I knew that he meant it when he said, I would rather do the right thing and lose than doing the wrong thing and winning. So I agree with you. But please, if you watch what I'm saying, I keep talking about P2B, New Nigeria. Because for now, he is the only politician I can tell you that can make these things possible. Look at what is happening in Nigeria today. Can you say this is what we wanted to see? That our debt now is 88 trillion naira. And what are you spending it for? Nothing. Consumption. Buying SUVs, 100% imported for 469 members of the National Assembly. And then you are talking about job creation. You know, he said his 8 priority areas. You know, he mentioned it in the speech. National defense and security. He has failed on that. Job creation. He has failed on that. Look at it. Macroeconomic stability. He has failed on that. He said he removed dual foreign exchange and wanted to make a single exchange. Are we not having the dual today? They are saying 800 naira official rate and you have 1,200 naira. He has failed on that. You talk about investment environment optimization. He has failed on that. You talk about this is his own 8th priority area. You talk about poverty reduction. He has failed on that. You talk about social security. He has failed on that. You talk about human capital development. He has failed on that. What else has he not failed on? So, you know, if you want to know how the 4 years will be, you start from 7 months. In these 7 months, how has he worked hard to cut wastage? I just told you about 40 billion naira is going to go into consumption that will add no productivity to Nigeria. I just told you a man who said he wants to revamp the economy, revitalize the industrial sector, and yet you're buying 469 imported SUVs when you have products that are assembled in Nigeria that you could have bought to improve the productive capacity of these firms. So what else is he going to do differently? He has borrowed about 15.8 billion naira, billion dollars. When is he going to pay all this? He's spending 98% of the revenue servicing debts and he's borrowing more. What else are you expecting? Let me tell you, people are going to be hungry for the next 4 years. Forget it. Because Naira will not appreciate. The only secret in appreciating Naira is what? There is no magic.